Gab.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Keep going. Okay, good. Circle.
Over the leaf.
I know. Okay, say Eris. Run her around. Get her attention. Good. Big
Good
circle.
girl, good girl.
Oh, wait.
Oh, we got the leaf.
Eris. Good.
No.
Okay, get it closer. Now, big circle. Let's go. Big circle. Okay, of course. Little circle. No, Gabrielle, can you follow this way? This way. Big circle. Okay, Eris, come on. Come on, Gab. Run. Yep. Eris.
She doesn't even give me any liver.
I know. Big circle. Big circle. Keep going. Keep going. Big circle.
Look at her move.
We're going to have Eris on YouTube. See how good Eris can move?
Have a
Now
new
get her
junior
attention,
handler.
stop, and say, Eris, here. Here, Gabrielle. Here's your food. Give her food.
Don't let her have it.
Remember, get her attention. Good. Show her. Show her you have food. You want to give Eris food. Yes, have food. Get her attention. Show her. Eris, thanks.
So wait, Mom, here you do it.
Yeah, show her. Yeah, show her. Show her.
She didn't smell it.
She didn't smell it then. See,
No,
watch.
she wanted
Watch.
to.
Eris. Eris. See, she wants it now. She wants it. There she is.
Now run.
Good. Now run. Now run. Call her. Not around. Around. Wait, honey. You're tangling her. You're tangling her. Let go. She has to be on this side. Okay. That hand. Now turn around here. That
Of
side.
course, you're not feeding me
Okay.
anything.
Now go. You got it? Okay. Now run. Hold. Yep. There. Hold this hand. This hand. Now go. Hold that hand. That hand. Got it? Got it? Okay, now run. Let's go. Good. Big circle. Big circle. Good. Big circle. Circle. Atta girl.
Look at her.
Erin, that's not a sheep.
Oh, she's getting ahead of me.